So we get in a truckload sand here. Gonna do a little project on this house here next door. Alright family, so let me show you guys what we're working on. Yeah man, he dumb. Yeah. So this is the back shed that I mentioned in the previous video that I fixed up. So now it's an entrance here. Go in here. This is under the house. Have you add on bathroom here? Put on the light there. See if you will see anything. Huh? Alright. Thing back up in here. Have you add on bathroom here, so? The sink there, toilet, and stand up shower. At water tank on the other side. So now we remove this piece wall here, sir. And this is a whole entirely downstairs. So we're gonna nice it up and fix them up, and then you guys gonna see the process. Yeah, man, tell you left the thing there, you gotta dig up the thing. Alright guys, so work continue. Alright, so much years now me do construction, right? Me father just land me something here today that what me know. That what me no know, sorry. This man say going clear hose at Home Depot, right? 20 feet, 30 feet, or how much feet is it? And where you do, daddy? Tell him where you do.
You put these two hoses together, full of the water. Put water inside.
And make sure the tip of the hose is level, right? It's even, me mean, sorry. Not level, even. And then the water, now when you add the water in the hose, make sure it's level here. Just like the level, right? So now, he's gonna go to that end over there, and he gonna mark one spot. Right? Say, alright, say you want maybe 1 feet away from the ground, right? Alright, good. So now he has a spot there, says 20 something inch, right?
Yeah.
And now, the horse is gonna rest on the ground. Now I have one end here. And now, say...
Go back to you, Mark, when you got dust, right?
So now, I'm gonna put them over here, right? So...
He will tell you when you go back to you, Mark.
Look at that, look at that. Look how the water moves, look. Look at that. Look how the water moves in the watch. So if you carry up your hand more high now, will you see something?
No, you can't.
No. But carry up your hand till you see something?
You make up any water going over.
Carry up, see slowly? Look at that, what you see? So when he carry up your hand that side.
You hold back right there.
Me hold back right.
You come back to your mark. You go tell you the back there to your mark again, right?
Right. Look at that. You see how slowly it move? Wow.
You go back to your mark again. So that's it. That's perfect.
So this mark right here. So see mark where he get. See mark the one me get over here.
Good.
See mark he get. So this is the best water line level ever. Well, this is old school.
This is a fast soak too.
Then I said this is old school. So if you want level, like you go big place and you want level, get the exact measurement, that way you use. Well, now everybody use laser level. Well, my father just teach me this one here about the watt. So in the meantime, between time, belly a bun. You dig a hole, going in the pen here. And who going in the kahari now? Which one of them?
The grey one.
Which grey one?
The grey hen. Grey hen, yeah.
Which one? The grey one that are around there?
Are you talking about this one? I see you.
This guy right here?
This grey one. This big one.
Oh, the big one?
Yeah, this one here.
Okay. Ross, man. Grab the man there. Alright, righty. Where you go now? Good. Pat. Yali? You can stop playing now. So we have a cook little hard fowl, or yard fowl, or Creole fowl, and dhal puri. See guys? See what I'm talking about? When you get your own thing in the backyard, you mind them. Yes. Got a food for put them in the pot. Alright, so I'll go inside and see Miss Debbie there upon there. So this is how I boil water. That free chicken. So in the meantime, dhal on boil. When the last I see one of this guy in an old mill with a ball in the middle. You have a ball in here, sir?
No.
Where the ball is?
That doesn't have no ball.
You have to get a ball inside there.
No.
Yes.
You sure?
100, 200%. You gotta get a ball inside
You
there.
know how long it took me to put this thing together?
No man, it's a 5 minutes.
And now you'll make me open it again?
Alright family, let me help this girl hook up this mill here.
Where's the ball?
Oh, look the ball inside there man. How you tell me? Me know about anything then you see.
No, these are the new fashion ones.
One ball inside here, girl, watch.
Okay.
What's one ball in there?
Alright.
You tell me? You know how long me a grind pepper pan mill? Since your mommy didn't ban it, before your mommy didn't ban it, me a grind pepper pan mill.
Oh, so you burned 2 times already?
Yeah. Alright guys, so let me stop yapping and let me help with this mill here. Alright, so now setting up the mill. Is this, yeah. Good. Let me see what going on here now. Time for go to the gym. Time for work out. Alright. How am I going there? Guys. I'm gonna put it on 2 dhal first. You know what I'm saying? Well, this is how I do it. Put in a couple dhal first. Then I got grind out some black thing ako pa here. See? So this way you do first, right? You put in some dhal first and you grind them.
I want to have a way to put them on.
Huh? This here, I go like this here, so. You put them like this here, so. You knock in there and then you turn them like this here. That's it. How you like it now?
Okay, so grind out the...
Yeah, you got grind out the
grind out the blackness.
the dirt.
Dirt?
Yeah. How fine you want them?
Fine. Dhal puri. Okay, all the blackness now?
Check them if it's too fine.
They can throw away.
No, you gotta check it if it's too fine. See if you get grain on it.
No, that's good.
You sure?
Yeah.
Because if it's too soft, you know what will
No,
happen.
that's good.
You're gonna make it like roti style. Alright. So they're grinding.
Okay, let me go bring the onions and the garlic.
The grinding continue. So let me show you a little bit more how to grind them there. You full up this thing here, sir. Not really full them. So you go choke. Good. You sit down, you take your chair. Make sure you think tight and properly about it. And you jam. See? So that's how dhal puri grind. Alright family, so now I'm gonna add a couple of ruri pepper inside. They're like 6 ruri pepper. Add some garlic and some onion. None of them This is what you look like. Grind dal. Grind dal for dal puri. Put some dal inside here. So the grinding continue.
So we have Gopi here doing the hard work.
This is old school, back in the days. Oh yeah, grind pepper and milk. So in the meantime, Miss Debbie's gonna take you guys to the back. I'll show you how my father clean up the chicken there. In the meantime, the grinding continue here.
Yep. And in the meantime, the TV is on. With B and Rocky. Watching B and Rocky. Okay guys, so let's see what's going on here with the chicken. Oh, it's almost done. It's a small one, it's not a big chicken.
Roast and cut down. This thing full of egg, bro.
So let's get back to Gopi. See how he's doing. But I think you done it. You don't have any more left.
No. When you cook, you got to taste.
Okay.
Is that right, viewers? Yeah. If you don't taste how, you don't know how it is. If you don't taste how, you don't know if it is. Right.
Okay, Gopi.
That right, viewers?
You got some nice flowers here too.
Yeah, man.
Fresh flowers.
That from since the morning party, still in it.
Still fresh.
Still fresh. And to all my lovely viewers, thank you guys so much for watching our channel. And to all our haters them, and the one who leaving bad comment, we still love you from the bottom of our heart. So no matter what you say or no matter what comment I left, I will still love you. Anyhow, I ito naman twist out.
And this is who we are.
Yep, that's who we are. It's a Avidis. Me like that. That's me, Gopi.
Anybody who know, you know that.
Exactly. So, I don't know what comment I left. So, for all the haters and who leaving bad comments,
It's all
I will
good.
still love you.
It's all
Alright?
good.
So, please, I not think no negativities or anything like that. Alright? So, now I wash up my meal. Miss Debbie is preparing the dal for chunky.
Well, I don't know how everybody else like do theirs, but this is how I do it.
Abi a chunky, abi dal. Puri.
The dal.
Dal, puri.
To go in the dal puri.
Same thing.
Curry powder, jeera, masala,
Regular thing like yung chunky masala.
green seasoning, black pepper.
Guys, so just like our chunky the curry, I've used green seasoning, garam masala, jeera, black pepper. You got a little water inside. Store them up, put the oil for hot.
Let me put the oil on it.
Alright. So you put the oil for hot there. That's all that you're adding in this dal here. This grind dal. From the black out. Water wrong no.
Oh, I see some.
What are you using for there?
No, the flour.
Okay. So put on the oil you had there. So in the meantime, my mother come visit me over Abby's house. She live over there. So time for chunky di dal. What kind of screw you look for? So take some plastic screw from my garage. So we just chunky the garam masala there. We got a little salt. And how long you left this for them, Miss Debbie?
You got a bunche,
Uh-huh.
and then you throw in the dal and mix it up.
Alright.
And then it's done. That's it.
So you let this bunche there a little bit for like 5 minutes or so.
Yeah.
Let bunche for 5 minutes, and then you throw in your grind dal and let it fry up a little bit.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3 minutes and it's done.
1, 2, 3 minutes. Make sure all the masala mix up with all the grind dal,
Yes.
so you could get the taste of it. You understand what happened there, guys? As long as I understand what happened there. So stay tuned. What you have to say, mother?
I said if she got her makeup or not, she look the same way. So
Okay, where you come have your house for?
we got teeth.
My mother take put out and she got another house over there, guys. Watch. Let me raise up the blind so I can see the house over there she got.
Come now for teeth something.
And she come over now. I be ask you what she come for and she not
Those
attack.
girl who no one go in
No, no, no.
camera without makeup.
No. That big batty fries.
No.
Big batty home fries.
Yeah.
Where is the black scissors I had on that window?
Alright.
Anybody know where the scissors are?
So,
No.
what scissors? What scissors is it?
So this is ready.
Alright, guys. So now the masala ready.
See, the oil is up.
This one.
Once the oil is up, it's good to go.
So we go add the
Mom, I'm ready to go.
I'm gonna add the arm inside here now. Pepper look nice at top there, man. Wow, look nice there. Smell good too.
Smells good.
Smell good. Hope it tastes good too.
And people choose to cook the chicken curry and the dal puri the day that I'm keeping fast. So
Okay. And what you have to say?
She said when she's keeping fast, we're cooking dal puri and
Yeah, she said viewers that how I will choose today for cook the dal puri and chicken curry on the day that she's fasting.
but she don't eat dal puri.
And she not eat dal puri.
Well, I was gonna eat roti.
She was gonna eat roti. Alright, good. So you could eat the dal puri.
No, the chicken is the splatter up on the roti.
The chicken. Mother said the chicken is splat up on the roti.
When you ready to come, okay? I'm hungry. I have to go eat. You come when you're ready.
So when this done patch up here, sir?
I'm waiting.
Trust
What?
the process, guys. Trust the process.
Yeah.
It's gonna come along.
Yeah, you maybe look like curry right now, right?
Yeah.
Or how you look like mashed potato.
And paste up, but
Mm-hmm.
don't worry. You'll see it at the end.
So when it done patch up here, sir? In the meantime, let me get something cool for drink there. So these are the egg what we get when I before we lay. See the man there? Don't lose up there. Time for cut up. Alright, so that's what the chicken look like in the tray. So you don't cut up there now. And buy a bag of aloo. And add on 5 pound aloo with this 1 pound chicken here. So in the meantime, let's see Miss Debbie here is gonna prepare this roti for the dal puri. So you add some baking powder there.
Like 2 spoons of baking powder.
2 spoon baking powder. Tablespoon. Or teaspoon. Or metal spoon. Salt.
Yeah.
Like you make salt cake here. Salt roti you make.
Salt, some sugar.
So you add some salt and some sugar. I like sugar roti and salt roti.
No.
Oh, mix it up there. Yeah, gal.
Can I have some water, please?
Time to add some water. Water in. So you can pour some water inside. To make it what? Like a loy.
Yeah, we're making a dough.
No, a loy. It's not a dough.
No, a loy is when you make after round.
Yeah.
When you make it round,
Same thing.
that's a loy.
Low, dough, same thing. Roti or roti.
It's dal puri.
Only 3 type of roti me know you get. Viewers, let me know if me wrong. You tell me. Me know you get sugar roti. Right? You get dal roti. And you get oil roti.
I want the sada roti.
Oh, well maybe me wrong. Sada roti. Or cartwheel. So 4 type of roti you get.
No, I have potato roti. And I have cassava roti.
All on count as roti.
Yes, I do.
No.
Okay, guys, please leave a comment if you know about cassava roti and aloo roti.
How about rice roti? You ever put rice in roti?
No.
And bale lamb?
No, I never did.
Alright, good. That poor people food. When you get flour, you put in rice inside for stretch the flour.
Really?
Yeah. Viewers?
Are you making up all these
No,
things?
I'm not lying. I'm telling you the truth. If I think a lie, you ask me back and I'll tell you again. No, but seriously, back in the days, you know, people just add rice in flour and mix them for stretch the flour.
What do you mean back in the days? Like since what?
1990.
Oh, okay. I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
I can't say.
So to my lovely viewers, who know about them thing then there, I tell me if I'm wrong or right.
Leave a comment.
How about cassava curry? Anybody ever eat cassava curry? Masala cassava curry.
I know cassava roti and cassava curry.
Cassava curry. So the mashing of the flour continue with Miss Debbie. I gotta put more flour inside. So family, this is the way how you preparing the roti for the dal. And then you put it on the tawa, and put a little oil, and then you get dal puri and chicken curry today. Why is a whole truckload Santa wait for me there outside? I'll level out there now. Alright family, so the fun continue. In the meantime, I'm gonna level out the basement there. And I go see the finishing of the chicken curry and the dal puri. So I get a whole truckload Santa wait for me, you know what, you see? This morning, early I will get a truckload Santa. Let me see if I can do here in the meantime. How are you shaping up there? So I make the pile right here on level. So then I'm going to start full. I'm going to start ram all this and full up everything around up. In the meantime, dal puri and chicken curry are done, cook and ready for lick up. So the fun continue and the work continue here. Alright family, so the chicken now wash up there. Add a little green seasoning, curry powder, I let have this.
Jeera.
Me hungry.
Who hungry?
Me? Hungry bad 3 days now since me eat.
Really?
1 spoon of jeera.
That was masala.
Masala. A sprinkle of a black pepper. What's that? This sprinkle?
You're gonna make it spicy.
But what's my bad again? Oh, we gotta add the sazon.
Well, you know, I always cook nice. So, it goes in everything.
So we'll add 1 card of sazon. What card them say?
I don't know.
Or 1 bag.
1 pack.
Or 1 bag.
No, a pack.
A pack of sazon. Ganyan lata. Come no. Smell good already.
And
Cars rip.
a little bit of cashew.
We got dash a splash of the calves rib.
A little bit.
Splash. We say splash.
Splash.
Splish splash.
Okay.
Alright. I'm gonna put my hand on this curry here, man. If I put my hand, I can't know how it is. Perfecto. Don't mix it up there?
Yep.
I'll hot.
I don't think so.
Get one dash a little bit in there. Let me see how you go. Sure. Alright.
Okay.
I'll hot there now.
It's hot.
Time problem. Problem start here now.
Here.
Water. The stove is not light. It's like on the bar stove. Even not on red and all of that. I was having cooked this thing for the outside fire side.
Yeah. The firewood one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Salt.
Alright family, I've just added a little salt there. So in the meantime, we gonna let this bunge down. Masala ready?
Yeah.
So now we gonna add the chicken in. Should bring a stand for this phone here so we can help you.
The chicken in.
The chicken in.
Put the chicken in.
Masala tastes good like my choke already.
That's not good.
This yard fowl here. You're gonna walk up the larky with this here, Raj. Mama. Bad. So we can pick up no more egg pan this one here, sir. Done. All the egg, I eat the whole fowl one time. When you eat the egg, you eat the whole fowl one time. So we gonna let this say like bunge down, bono tali ring quarter.
And then we're gonna add water to boil.
Then we got some water for boil.
Yeah.
And then 5 pong alu.
And some.
Pepper. How we looking there? In the meantime, I'm gonna fill up this basement there with sand.
Hi guys, so we have Candace here. You wanna say something to the people watching? Yeah. No, you're shy. So she wants pancakes. So we're gonna make some pancake for Candace. So she likes to help in the kitchen. She's doing the dishes. This is almost ready for water. And we have the pancake going here. How's it going there?
Good.
You're doing good? Alright. Okay guys, so it's ready now for the water. So put the water and we're gonna leave it to boil.
Look, honey.
And then we're gonna add the potato
Look, Mom.
and the peppers. Okay, so we're gonna cover this and leave it to cook. So Candace's pancake is done. And she's going to eat now. Ready?
Yep.
Okay.
That's the washing machine.
Alright. And this is the dal for the dal puri. We're gonna start with this just now. Okay, so we have the flour here and the dal here. I'm gonna start making the loaves for the dal puri. Okay guys, so we have it here like this now. I'm about to start cooking it. The curry is still going. So I'm gonna roll it out. Try to get the edge thin so it cooks evenly. Gopi's not here to help me record, so I'm trying to do it myself. Okay, roll it out like this. Now I'm gonna put it on. Let's hope it comes out good. Put some oil on it. I'm gonna hold there so it's not gonna swell. Okay, put oil on this side now. So this is how it's coming along. I got a few more to go. Okay guys, the curry finished. And the dal puri. Let's go see what Gopi is doing outside now. What you doing there?
Huh?
What you doing there?
Me know. I'll try level this basement is. So how's the cooking in there?
I'm done.
Oh
However,
my
I record cooking and record at the same time.
Oh my god, I'm sorry.
So
I'm sorry I wasn't here. Guys, I'm trying my best. I'm doing two things at one time. I'm trying to record, trying to show you guys everything at once, and I'm doing construction and cooking together.
okay.
So forgive me, guys.
If the video don't come out good, I'm sorry.
So how everything looking there? Everything done?
Yeah, you could come eat.
Alright. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to the Goopy family. See you on the next video again. I go Steven all he done. And I've done nights up and dial up and I go jump up about that when he does.